Good morning, dear students. Let us see further the structure of pyrrole. We were discussing till now. We have discussed about the heterocyclic compounds. What are heterocyclic compounds? A heteroatom in a cyclic structure. Okay, for example, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, these are all, and it should have a ring structure. Okay, it should be a ring, not like a cyclic structures. So acyclic structures cannot be considered heterocyclic compounds. It is and in some of the heterocyclic compounds we have seen yesterday: pyrrole, indole, quinoline, pyridine, pyrrole, furon, thiophene, some of the examples, and we have seen the aromaticity of pyrrole, furon, thiophene. Let us see the molecular structure of the pyrrole. Suppose if we take pyrrole, then its molecular formula is C4H4 C4H5N, and it is a 5-membered ring. Okay, and if we see, each carbon is undergoing sp2 hybridization, and along with this sp2 hybridization, the hydrogens which are present with that 5-member, that is CH, it will undergo the S, that is the hydrogen, the s orbital of hydrogen atom, and sp2 orbital of the carbon atom. So in this way, that is 5-membered ring, and this is a nitrogen along with the hydrogen. The sp2 hybrid orbital overlap with each other with s atomic orbital of 5 hydrogen, forming Cc, Cn, Ch and Nh sigma bonds. All these 6 bonds lie on one plane. Okay, and it also shows aromaticity. Yesterday also, means on the first video, I already discussed that why this is 6, means it follows aromaticity, because a nitrogen contains lone pairs of electron, and this lateral overlap, this p orbital produces molecular orbital containing 6, and that's why pyrrole shows aromaticity and it obeys Huckel's rule. So this was the molecular structure of pyrrole. Then let us see the structure for this is a pyrrole structure overlapping. Okay, and these are the sigma bonds of 5-membered ring above and below the plane, because the carbon atom undergoing is sp2, so obviously the carbon carbon will have a double bond, and as soon as the in carbon carbon, if it is a double bond, then it will undergo sp2 hybridization. Here we can see the sp2 hybridization, that is carbon and carbon, this is carbon and carbon, this is C, carbon carbon, sp2 hybridization. Okay, let us go for the that is furan. So if we take for the furan, the formula is of, that is heterocyclic compound 5-membered ring which contains oxygen, and the molecular formula goes like C4H4O. Okay, one oxygen here is one. All the atoms in furan are sp2 hybridized, and the sp2 overlap with each other, the atomic 4 orbital, that is sp2se जाता है इसमें भी, और ऑक्सीजन के लोन पेयर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन के कारण वो एरोमेटिसिटी दिखाता है 6 pairs of electrons. Okay, it also plays an 6 pairs of electrons. ठीक है, and each ring of atom in furan has unhybridized p orbital above and below the plane, जो कि हमने यहाँ पे बताया, ये दिख ही रही है यहाँ पे 2 pi electrons. So this is sp2 carbon carbon, sp2 carbon carbon, और हाइड्रोजन के साथ sp2 s overlapping होता है, similar to that of the pyrrole. Okay, only the difference is that here is the oxygen which is having lone pairs of electron. It also obeys the Huckel's rule. Now if you take a thiophene, similar structure will there, that is sp2 s orbitals, and all these we compare that among which of this is more aromaticity, more effective in aromaticity. Then we yesterday only we discussed, or in the previous lecture we have discussed about that the thiophene will be more effective in aromaticity as compared to oxygen and nitrogen, because furan and that is pyrrole, because a 5-membered ring which contains sulfur does not mostly it helps in the delocalization of the ring, and that's why it is more stable, and the energy of the more the resonance energy. So thiophene has more resonance energy as compared to furan and pyrrole, and that's why thiophene is shows more aromatic character. As if we consider furan and pyrrole, it is having O and nitrogen, that is pyrrole. And if we compared oxygen and nitrogen, then oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. That's why the reason is that thiophene shows more aromaticity as compared to furan. And yesterday we have already discussed this. We are just going we are just seeing this molecular orbital structure. Okay, and it also obeys the aromaticity, Huckel's rule. Okay, now let us see the structure for pyridine. If we see the structure of pyridine, what we see that it is a formula of C5H5N. Okay, so all the atoms in pyridine has 5 carbons plus 1 nitrogen. Students, if we see, if we just deduce 1 nitrogen, then it will be the same formula like C5H6. Instead of nitrogen, if we place hydrogen, then it will be a benzene. And if we remove 1 hydrogen and we are substituting nitrogen, then the compound becomes pyridine, which is 6-membered ring. Okay, if you see here, we see that it is a 6-membered ring. Okay, so among the carbon in between the carbon as benzene, it undergo sp2 hybridization as that of the pyridine, and along with this hydrogen it will undergo sp2 hybridization. Okay, and the lastly nitrogen, which is the marking thing here, that is it is having lone pairs of electrons. Okay, so these lone pairs of electron helps in the delocalization and unpaired electrons, and that's why it obeys Huckel's rule. Okay, it obeys Huckel's. The third sp2 orbital on nitrogen is completely filled, and it accounts as nitrogen lone pairs. So all bonds in pyridine lie in one place. As we see the benzene property, it is similar to that of the benzene. Pyridine also the bonds lie in a one plane, and each ring atom in pyridine also has unhybridized p orbitals. P orbitals are perpendicular and containing sigma bonds. ठीक है, p orbitals these are the containing sigma bonds. तो कहीं पे sigma bonds कार्बन कार्बन पे है. So it obeys that is the delocalized, जैसे similar to that of p orbitals above and below the plane है, and it will obey a similar structure. No, there is nothing as such difference, and we see the structure like above and below the p orbitals. ठीक है, तो कुछ हम लोग अगर देखेंगे तो पाई बॉन्डिंग है और कहीं पे सिग्मा. सो CH बॉन्डिंग जो है यहाँ पे तो सिग्मा बॉन्डिंग की pyridine की देखी है, लेकिन यहाँ पे हम लोग पाई बॉन्डिंग भी देख रहे हैं, है ना. सो एज सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ द बेंजीन, बिकॉज sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन जा रहा है, यानी डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन तो होना ही है. एक कार्बन एटम दूसरे कार्बन पे ओवरलैपिंग कर रहा है. ठीक है, ओवरलैप करते समय वो अंडरगो हो रहा है sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन, और जहाँ पे sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन आता है वहाँ पे एक p अनहाइब्रिडाइज्ड ऑर्बिटल रहेगा, and this unhybridized p orbital will form a delocalization of pi electrons below and above the plane as similar to that of the benzene, and that's why there are similar properties of pyridine and benzene. Okay. So in this way we have studied the aromaticity. We have compared which one of aromaticity of the furan, thiophene and pyrrole, and then we have seen the aromaticity, effective aromaticity of thiophene. Which one has more energy as compared to pyrrole and furan? And we have seen the how pyridine is shows similar characteristics, similar properties as that of benzene, and it shows obeys Huckel's rule, and it is also shows six membered. So how it is six membered, that also we have seen, because nitrogen contains lone pairs of electron. Now let us see the methods of synthesis of pyridine. Pyridine can be represented in this way also. It is here given likewise. And if we see the method of synthesis of pyridine, that is C5H5N, then pyridine is six-membered aromatic heterocyclic with one nitrogen. तो बेंजीन से भी हम लोग बना सकते हैं. इट्स सिंथेटिक नेम इज एजाबेंजीन. pyridine का दूसरा नाम जो है वो एजाबेंजीन है, एंड इट कुड बी डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम बेंजीन बाय रिप्लेसिंग CH. अब हम पहले ही कहा था कि अगर हमने डिफरेंस देखा बेंजीन में, तो कार्बन जो है CH अगर हटा दो और नाइट्रोजन को लगा दो तो pyridine बन जाएगा. ठीक है. अब ये एजाबेंजीन या pyridine ये अल्फा बीटा दोनों में पाए जाते हैं. ठीक है, दोनों. सो हम लोग ने बीटा नाइट्रोपिरिडीन जैसे 3 नाइट्रोपिरिडीन भी it is in existence, and 2-methylpyridine which is also called as alpha picoline is also in the existence. Let us see the second formation. That is, this was the introduction of how pyridine is six-membered, और उसको अगर बेंजीन में का CH निकाल दिए तो आइसोबेंजीन बनता है. Now let us see the first preparation, how pyridine is formed. Preparation के pyridine कैसे बनता है? तो एक है एस्टिलीन से और हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड से बनता है. So this is together fused, okay, in the red hot tube, and it gives you pyridine. ठीक है. In this way the pyridine is formed. Now let us see the second preparation, that is enhanced pyridine synthesis. अब इसमें देखो क्या है कि एसिटाल्डिहाइड फॉर्माल्डिहाइड का फ्यूजन होता है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अमोनिया गैस. ओके, एंड जो कॉपर ऑक्साइड है इन alumina on heating gives you pyridine. Okay, so in this way this reaction is obtained. In this way, commercial production of pyridine. Let us see the commercial production of pyridine. So what pyridine is recovered from coal tar and non-condensed gases produced by high temperature cooking of coal. The light oil fraction of coal tar distillation freed from phenols is washed with sulfuric acid. The acid extract containing pyridinium sulfate on treatment with dilute sodium hydroxide solution liberates pyridine. अब pyridine कैसे बनेगा प्योर फॉर्म में? फिर डिस्टिलेशन करेंगे, कोल टार में प्रेजेंट होता है, देन इट अंडरगोज सम reactions, washings with acids, and then with treatments with sodium hydroxide, you will get pure pyridine. Okay, so the non-condensed gases coming from the coke ovens are washed with sulfuric acid containing pyridium sulfate, और फिर वो प्यूरिफाई करते हैं. ठीक है. फोर्थ है कमर्शियल प्रोडक्शन pyridine का इस प्रकार होता है. pyridine हमको कोल टार से कैसे मिलता है? तो पहले सल्फ्रिक एसिड से ट्रीटमेंट होता है, फिर जो pyridium सल्फेट मिलता है उसका ट्रीटमेंट सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से होता है, एंड देन यू गेट सम इम्प्योर pyridine. देन आफ्टर फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन आपको वो प्योर pyridine फॉर्म में मिलता है. द फोर्थ वन इज फ्रॉम glutanoic aldehyde and ammonia. Is bit not bit hard, but it's bit variant to spell, like glutanoic aldehyde ammonia. So this is a glutanoic aldehyde, which in the presence of ammonia, the hydrogen atom are removed and you get ammonia का जो N है वो lags pyridine, nitrogen वहाँ लग जाता है and you get removal of 2 water molecules. The furans से भी आपको मिलता है. Perfluoryl ketones gives you 3 hydroxy 2 alkyl pyrides with ammonia. So in this way you get pyridine from glutanoic aldehyde, then from furan, and then from acetylene, and the next one was with formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Okay, in this way, and the last one is from acrolein. So acrolein, with treatment with ammonia, first of all you get 3-methyl pyridine, and the 3-methyl pyridine on treatment with, or it undergoes oxidation to give carboxylic acid, and then later on treatment with calcium hydroxide you get pyridine. So these are the reaction how pyridine is obtained. Then the physical properties of pyridine. Pyridine is a colorless liquid. Its boiling point is 115.5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. सो pyridine कैसा है? कलरलेस लिक्विड है और उसका स्मेल भी बहुत भयंकर होता है. अनप्लेजेंट ऑर्डर, यू कैन नॉट स्टैंड. इट्स वेरी डेंजरस फॉर ह्यूमंस. And its boiling point is 115.5 and it is soluble in water and most organic solvent. पानी में सॉल्व होता है, soluble, and most of the organic solvents में भी होता है. Okay, so we have seen the physical properties of the pyridine. Now let's see the characteristic properties, chemical properties of pyridine. Okay, so if we see basic character, pyridine behaves like a tertiary base at the nitrogen atom. ठीक है, tertiary base जैसे behave करता है वो. So if we treat it with mineral acid, then you will get pyridinium chloride. Okay, and pyridine has the lone pairs of electrons, and जहाँ पे nitrogen है वहाँ basicity तो होगी ही. So it's less basic. And thus the lone pair of electron pyridine being closer is most tightly held and is less available for protonation. It is lone pair of electron in pyridine being closer is more tightly held and is less available for protonation. Yes, अभी जो है, अब we see pyridine का अगर हमने स्ट्रक्चर देखा तो ये जो है ये इंटैक्ट है. लोन पेयर्स इसके साथ इन्वॉल्व है. आई मीन इन्वॉल्व ऐसा है कि बाहर के जो गेस्ट को है वो ज़्यादा एंटरटेन नहीं कर सकता है क्योंकि उसको ही खुद को पकड़ के रखना है. घर के this whole ring structure of you see of this benzene structure or this 5-membered ring, this is 6-membered. पकड़ के नाइट्रोजन को 6-membered है, लेकिन इस नाइट्रोजन को क्या करना पड़ता है कि वो प्रोटोनेशन या बाहर का जो भी कोई एटम अंदर घुसने की कोशिश करता है तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा मिक्स होने के चांसेस नहीं है. इट कैन नॉट रिएक्ट बिकॉज इट हैज़ टू होल्ड द होल रिएक्शन. होल्ड करके रखना पड़ता है उसको. And that's why it is being pyridine lone pair is being closer, it is more tightly held and is less available for protonation. protonation यानी हम उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन्स उस ज़्यादा रिएक्ट करने की उसमें क्षमता कम रहती है बिकॉज नाइट्रोजन का अपना ही खुद का लोन, एक तो बहुत ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव तो है ही है, वो स्ट्रॉन्ग भी है लोन पेयर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, वो मिक्स नहीं हो सकता बाहर के फॉरेन रिएक्टेंट से इजीली बिकॉज उसको अपनी आइडेंटिटी उस रिंग में भी जमा के रखनी है. ओके, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स नॉट फिजिबल. जल्दी रिएक्ट नहीं होता है वो बाहर के एनवायरनमेंट से। इफ वी ट्राई, वही अगर हमने यहाँ पे लोन पेयर्स ऑफ यहाँ पे देखा तो यहाँ पे इज मोर बेसिक, क्योंकि यहाँ रिंग का जो डीलोकलाइजेशन का इफेक्ट यहाँ पे नहीं है ट्राई इथाइल अमाइन पे। तो अगर हमने बेसिसिटी को पकड़ के देखा तो pyridine इज लेस बेसिक एज कंपेयर टू द अदर असाइक्लिक अमाइंस। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स टिल अभी तक हमने बेसिसिटी देखा है। द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल सी द इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ pyridine. Till then, thank you so much and just go through this notes. I will send it to you. Thank you so much.